Put mushrooms in the zucchini and your dinner is ready. An easy and delicious recipe. We're going to need a zucchini. Cut it like I'm doing. If you're looking for a healthy and delicious recipe, this is definitely a great option for you. One cup of mushrooms, slice them. What do you call this recipe in your country? In the pan, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 minced garlic cloves. Let it brown for 2 minutes. Now add the zucchini. Stir and let it saute for 5 minutes. I'd like to give a special shout out to Elaine Kouros from Oldham, Lancashire, UK. Thanks for following our recipes. Add the mushrooms. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of thyme. Mix all the ingredients well and let it saute for 10 minutes. All right? This recipe is delicious with mushrooms. It's perfect and easy to prepare. Would you do anything differently with this recipe? I'd love to know. Everyone, look how delicious this is. I love mushrooms, and you? To finish, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of parsley. Our recipe is ready. It's wonderful. To make it even tastier, I like to add shredded Parmesan cheese, but that's optional, okay? This recipe is a perfect combination with meat, chicken, and rice. Try it. I'm sure you'll love it. Thanks for your company. I'll see you in our next recipe. Enjoy.